Hi, I'm Stan Thompson, Product Manager for Relay Test Equipment at Megger in Dallas, Texas. I'm pleased to introduce the new Megger Model SMRT36 Relay Test Set with the STVI Smart Touch View Interface Controller. The SMRT36 is the next generation of advanced microprocessor-based relay test sets from Megger. It's reflective of Megger's 60 years of experience in the development and the manufacturing of protective relay test equipment. For size, weight, and features, the SMRT36 is conceivably the smallest, lightest, highest output powered, complete three-phase relay test system in the world today. The Smart 36 is so small and light, it qualifies for virtually all major airlines as carry-on luggage. Each current channel provides 30 amps continuous at 200 VA and up to 60 amps for short durations. By paralleling the three current channels, you can get 180 amperes at 900 VA. Each voltage channel provides higher current and a unique constant power output of 150 VA at the critical test voltages of 30 to 150 volts. For example, customers who want to test a panel of relays at one time find it virtually impossible using lower VA rated voltage amplifiers. In addition, the voltage channels can be converted to currents, providing up to 15 amps for short duration. Combined with the three current channels will give you 6 phases of current for testing the new current differential relays. The new Smart Touch View interface, the STVI, is easy to use. It provides automatic, semi-automatic, and manual control of the test set. Using the manual test screen, the user can manually test and control all outputs, ramp amplitudes, phase angles, and frequency using the control knob. Or you can use the dynamic control and go from a pre-fault to a fault and do a dynamic timing test. The new Smart Touch View interface, STVI, is easy to use. It provides automatic, semi-automatic, and manual control of the test set. Using the manual test screen, the user can select channels. He can select to ramp amplitude, phase angle, or frequency. He can use the control knob. He can set up a pre-fault condition and a fault condition and do a dynamic timing test on virtually any type of relay. The new STVI automatic ramp, pulse ramp, and new pulse ramp binary search capability is selectable by pressing the ramp button. Here we can see we have 3 selections. We have step ramp, pulse ramp, and binary search pulse ramp. We also have a built-in ramp wizard for doing instantaneous and normal pickup tests on electromechanical type relays. The user can input a start, a stop value, and an increment and a delay time and press the go button, and the unit will automatically ramp the outputs up and down to determine pickup and dropout. In addition to doing automatic ramp, you can also do automatic timing tests. Built into the unit are over several hundred relay time curves for different types of relays. Here we see a time curve for an IEC overcurrent standard inverse relay. By selecting the setup screen, the user can go in and he can select from different types of relay manufacturers. There's the IEC, and then we have, selectable. We've got GEC, we have ABB, Westinghouse, Alstom, ASEA, Basler, BBC, General Electric, just to name a few. I'm going to select the ABB Westinghouse. Then we can select from a number of different types of relays from the manufacturer. For example, maybe a CO9 relay, which is a very inverse relay. And then the user can input the time dial setting for the relay. In this case, it defaults to 3. Then press the OK button, and that'll take us back to our timing setup screen. Here, the user can select whether he wants to test A phase, B phase, or C phase. He can even do a 3-phase test. He can select current relays, voltage relays, frequency relays, various types of relays. Well, we've selected a ABB Westinghouse C09 overcurrent relay. And there's the time curve for the Westinghouse C09 relay. We can also do a sequence test. I'll test the sequencing button. And we can do up to 9 shots. This would be used for testing trip and reclose times. And we can do all the way to total time to lockout for a 4-shot auto reclose relay. Okay, let's test that Westinghouse ABB C09 relay. We're going to go to the timing test screen. I'm going to come over here to Setup and Settings. I'm going to come over here to the curve characteristic. I'm going to select the ABB Westinghouse, and I'm going to select C09. It's on number 3 time dial, so that's good. We'll leave that there. Okay. And the pickup value is set on a 5 amp tap, so we'll enter 5. The instantaneous is set at 30 amps. Okay, that's it. Okay. So now we're going to use current channel number 1 to supply our 10 amps, which would be 2 times the 5 amp tap. And you'll notice it's 2, 4, and 6, but we can set them to anything we like. Let's set them to 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to do 3 points on the curve, 2, 3, and 4 times tap. Okay. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to select binary input number 1. And it's set to go from normally open to close. And I need to select latch. And the debounce time is set for 2 milliseconds. Okay, we're ready to do the test. So all we have to do now is press the play button. It's applying the test current to the relay, which is 10 amps, looking for the relay to operate. And when the relay operates, we capture the test result, so it tripped in 4.084 seconds. Since the result is within the manufacturer's time curve characteristic, it gives us a green dot. Now we're going to wait a second or two for the disk to reset. And the disk is reset, so now I'm going to come over and I'm going to do 3 times tap. And so it should be applying 15 amps to the relay, and the relay operates, and we get another test result. Okay, the disk is reset, and now we'll do 4 times tap. And it'll apply 20 amps to the relay, and you could hear the groaning in the instantaneous coil. So there's our 3 test points on the curve. If we want to add a 4th or 5th point, we can do that. Let's go ahead and save those results, including report. And here we can see the results for our timing test. At 2, 3, and 4 times tap, there's the test current, the trip time, the theoretical, the min, the max, and whether it passed, and it passed all points, and we see the 3 test points on the curve. Thank you for your time. Should you have any questions, please contact your local Megger sales rep. See contact information at the bottom of the screen.